DeWALT reciprocating saw. With the correct blade, it will cut through anything. I'm gonna pick the 24 teeth blade for cutting the metal. So the plan is to cut off this edge so I can put down a custom piece on this massive maple workbench. 97 inches long. Remove the battery before inserting the blade, and of course engage the safety trigger. The best part of this saw is its flexibility for mounting the blade. You can do this or this facing up or facing right or left. So in my case, I want to use it in this orientation so I can do a flush trim. Okay, let's install the battery and do it. Disengage the safety trigger. Well, it cuts through like butter. Check that out. It's a good idea to wear some gloves and trim off that excess edge. Hearing protection. I can't imagine doing this by hand. It may take forever. And that is what it looks like after cutting all these metal. The paint well off, but overall, it's in pretty good shape. Yeah, I can highly recommend this compact reciprocating saw. Extremely versatile, LED light, super compact, made in USA. Beautiful. This DeWALT grinder packs a lot of power as a 20 volts cordless tool. Guard here, handle, the lock. Make sure you engage the lock before you changing the blade. Let me show you how it works in action.